Hi guys! We're going to cook two dishes today, the teriyaki chicken with veggies and the Szechuan chicken with noodles. First, we're going to cook our mushrooms and zucchini separately. This is for our Szechuan chicken. Okay guys, so the first dish that we're going to cook is the teriyaki chicken. Saute the chicken with garlic and onions until moderately cooked. Then add salt and pepper according to taste. Personally, I don't put a lot in because I will put the teriyaki sauce and that already has enough salt in it. Then you can add your carrots. Just mix it well for about a minute and then add your broccoli. You can add whatever vegetables you want. Usually the most common stir-fry vegetables are the carrots and the broccoli and snap peas. So I'm putting my snap peas in. As you can see, I also have yellow bell peppers. Any colored bell peppers is good. Green, yellow, or red. Now I'm adding oyster sauce for added flavor. I usually use Mamacita's brand. It's a Philippine brand. And I'm also putting in the teriyaki sauce. Just mix it well. Guys, this dish is actually very easy to make. You stir fry the meat and the vegetables, you add the sauce that you want, and then you let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked to your desired doneness. There you go guys, our teriyaki chicken with vegetables. Our next dish is the Szechuan chicken with noodles. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and saute your garlic and your onions. Then add your chicken. Mix it well. Then you can add your vegetables, which are pretty much the same vegetables that I use for the teriyaki chicken. In goes the bell peppers. I want to get a wok. My wok doesn't get really hot like Philippine made woks or the restaurant grade woks. Now with the Szechuan chicken, I add in the mushrooms and zucchini that I prepared earlier. Mix well. In goes the snap peas. Depending on how much vegetables and meat I have, I use between 1 to 2 bottles of any sauce that I use. In this case, spicy Szechuan. As for the vegetables, I personally like them cooked with a little crisp, but you can certainly cook them however you want. Mix it well. You can put the heat up and bring it to a boil. Then you can put your noodles in. I'm using the Hokkien noodles. It's already pre-cooked noodles. so it's quicker. You should be able to find it in any Asian stores. You just add it and you mix it well with the rest of the mixture. Cook it for about 5 minutes more. Then it's done. Here is our deliciously spicy Szechuan chicken with noodles. I hope you guys like our two dishes today. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourselves. Stay safe and well. God bless.